Starting a side hustle is one of the most beautiful things you can do for yourself and for your finances. Not only because it can earn you extra cash, but because it's going to add to your entrepreneurship skills and also help you improve and grow as you go on. So today I'll be sharing with you 5 side hustles you can do from home in 2021. If this might interest you, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, digital tutorials and lifestyle. I film from city of Lagos in Nigeria. My goal on this channel is to help you build multiple streams of passive income, which I have been doing and I'm passionate about. So if this might interest you, you should consider subscribing. So today we'll be looking at some side hustles you can do from home in 2021. Let's jump right into it. The first one I'll be talking about is selling on Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform where you offer services for money. Yeah, you offer services in exchange for what? For money. So it used to be $5 for each service you render before, but not longer. Yes, it has changed. So now no restrictions. You cannot charge as high as you want depending on the kind of services you're rendering and the quality of the service you're rendering. There are actually different services you can render on Fiverr. Yes, in exchange for money there are many, like 1001 different services you can render. If you're one who is gifted with great voice, you might want to consider voiceover artists or people who do jingles for companies. Yes, if you have good voice, you're very good at creating voiceovers and the likes, please consider being on Fiverr. You can ghostwrite for people, like you can write an ebook for people you ghostwrite. You can choose to go into graphic and designs. Yes, you make logos for different businesses there and you earn your cool cash. You can go into writing and translation if you're one who maybe you're good at French, like you study French, or very good in any other language. It could be Yoruba, it could be Igbo, it could be Hausa. Yeah, there are people looking for how to translate their books or something or their documents into those languages. So these are services you can bring on Fiverr. Programming and text, video and animation, mention it. There's even one I came across recently. There are actually some group of guys who they come on Fiverr, they render services as creating birthday wishes or birthday videos for people, like in a funny way. If you're a Nigerian and you stay in Nigeria, there are actually some comedians on Instagram who do this kind of business, but majorly on Instagram, the likes of comedian 3310, Woli Arole, Woli Agba. Yes, they do that. Like you pay them, they create a funny video and help you wish the celebrant a happy birthday or whatever. Yes, those kind of services are actually on Fiverr. Yes, so if you're somebody who is good at creating or cracking jokes, just putting words together, funny words together, this is something you can do. Yes, they are looking for you on Fiverr, guys. No darling. Great thing about Fiverr is that there are different services you can render in exchange for money on Fiverr. Yes, you're always welcome. Whatever skill it is you have, please bring it on on Fiverr. Just go through their services and I'm sure that you're going to find one or two that you're good at in creating money. So just log in, create a profile and start creating content for people. Yeah. The second business I'll be talking about, or the second side also I'll be talking about, is local dropshipping. Yeah, dropshipping is actually the art of buying and selling without having to stock up or having to meet the seller. Like, it is not capital intensive. You do not need to invest money. You don't need to worry about getting capital investment because you're not stocking these goods. You're simply selling for importers or for major suppliers of those products. I have various videos on this channel where I discussed drop shipping and even gave contact of importers, tested and trusted importers you can drop ship for. I'll link the video right up here. Please check it out to understand what drop shipping means. Yeah. The next one I'll be talking about is Uber or Bolt business. Yes, so if you're somebody who has a car and you have some spare time to yourself, maybe when you come back from work, or you can actually make it your full-time business, this is something you should consider doing. You can choose to be creative with your own. Get mints, mentors, sweet gums and the like. Get them inside your cars. When you have riders, offer them. So you can even get water and offer them. These acts can help you with great reviews from riders, which what in return give you more recommendations on the app. That means you make more sales. So guys, please be creative. Like, there is really nothing you can't do. Just find a way, be creative about it, package it in a more nicely way, just to it's going to give that difference to that business. Yes, be creative with it. The fourth side also I'll be talking about is become a virtual assistant. Yeah, You basically help people with research, emails, calendars, and so on. The difference between working in an office, like working as an office assistant, and a virtual assistant is because one is online, yes, which is a virtual, it means online, you're not seeing the person face to face. So this is even something you can do with another job, yeah, because you're just running it online, yeah. Just get yourself familiar with the likes of Microsoft, Excel, Google Docs, and the likes, and you're good to go. And if you have a bit of bookkeeping, that's helping people with their financial records, you're actually hot cake. Yes, so these are actually things you can bring into it to spice things up. The fifth side also I'll be talking about is managing social media for small businesses. Yeah, we know that everything is now digital, like almost every business is now digital, like we can all see what is going on. Almost every business wants to have an online presence because that is where the new gold, like that is the new gold, as we all know. And most of this owner, or most of the small business owners, do not really have the time, or even there are actually some in their late 40s, 50s who do not really know their way around social media. So that is where your own work comes in. Basically manage their social media. Yes, it could actually be in your street. Go and meet them, like ask, draw a proposal, and oh, I want to start managing your social media for you. I know at first it might, especially for the old people, they might actually like feel like there's really no need for going on social, but make them see reasons. You can even make a deal with them. Okay, let me undo your social, let me undo it for a week, 2 weeks, and let's see if there's a difference. Then we start the business together. Aside from managing social media for small businesses, there are actually some influencers or some big celebrities who need people to also undo their social media. If you're one who is good and experienced in that niche, you're going to do well, like you're going to really do well. There was a time I got contacted by a celebrity to undo a business page, but we couldn't actually finalize. These are actually things you can do to make passive income for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do not click off without subscribing. I have other videos on this channel where I discussed about drop shipping, side hustle, both online and offline. Please check them out. I'll link them right up here, and I also put the link in the description. If you have any of these gigs as side hustle, please share your experience with me in the comment section if you are into any of the side hustle already. So I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. Let's meet there, and also see you in other videos I have on this channel. Also, let me know what next you love to watch on this channel. You guys know now. We are for each other. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. You can also follow me on all my social media: on Facebook, Fumike Afolabomi; on Instagram, Fumike_Afo; on Twitter as well, Fumike_Afo.